Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Hope you watched part 1 there of the unboxing. So now we're actually going to go and put the unit together. And so in part 1 I actually put the shaft together. This is actually too long probably for me. But I'm going to stick this one in here. Let's see, which way does it go? I don't think it matters. So I'm going to stick this in here. Now on here you got to depress these two buttons here and push it in. And then you'll line it up with the first hole there. There we go. Yeah, I don't think it doesn't matter which way because the holes for adjustment go all the way down there. So I've got the first one in. So now I'm going to go down to the end here, set this on the ground. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out my bolt here. Now this is just a plastic bolt. Now I don't think it'll matter. It's got some rubber grommets there. I guess to go on either side, yeah, so it doesn't rotate, doesn't slip around, and you got your nut there. So we'll go ahead and put that on and let's see how easy it is here. Now I'm not sure if the grommet goes in the center or not. Let's see. Oh yes, okay, I see. So these grommets, these rubber grommets, actually have holes in them, and they line up with the with this here. So I'm just going to go and press them in. Very nice. So it's all kind of pre-done for you so that you do it properly. It does take some pressing to get in there. All right. Now where did I put my second one? There it is. Stick my second one on here. Don't think it matters which way it goes, up or down there and that. As long as you get the holes in there. Alright, so I got my grommets on either side. Stick this back down here. And let's see where I am. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and put this on here. Oops, this guy. My grommet popped out a little bit here. What are we doing here? Not lined up exactly. Oh, okay, let me try that again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, so I'll slide this guy on here. And yeah, that makes it nice and snug, and it actually holds itself there. Now, I think you have to put the bolt from this side. It's not going to go the other way. It does take some fiddling to get this lined up here. There we go, and you probably can't see that. I can't see that too well, but alright, there we go. Spin that guy on. And this is just finger tightening stuff. This is meant to kind of loosely rotate if you're on, a hill or different surfaces, then you can rotate it up or down to get the right angle there for you. I'm just going to finger tighten that. That'll be fine. Now what I have heard is that you put the coil over, and you just got to wrap it over like that. So I'll just spin that guy on there. And I probably could read the manual, but these things aren't too complicated. I have had a metal detector before, so I have some experience, have some idea how they work. Now looks like it doesn't extend. I'm gonna shorten this up a little bit so it doesn't extend. There we go. So I've got enough length now. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I've got enough length now that I can go ahead and put this in. I'm going to put this down there. Now this goes a very specific way, and it actually has a notch. So that is good, so that you can't actually put it in incorrectly. So I'm just going to give it a good squish down, good firm squish, and then you just spin the nut on there and give it a tighten with your fingers. And then I'll just snug it up and make sure it's not loose and wobbling. Okay, got that on. So that is good. So I'm just going to give it a quick test here and make sure it's correct height. Yeah. So I think that length will do for me. I'm just on the second hole on the shaft here. The one thing they mentioned I've seen on other YouTube videos is to make sure this guy isn't flopping around, because this is all based on electromagnetic fields and finding the conductivity of various ferrous metals and that kind of stuff. So the less you have of this cable moving, the less interference you'll get up at the unit here. Alright, so that is that. Let's just power it on. It should power on, and now it's seeing a whole bunch of metal. Perfect. So it powered on fine, and it seems to be working. So in part 3, we'll actually go outside and we'll see if we can find something with the Garrett ACE 250. Alright, thanks for watching.